Lecture 34, Dynamic Web URLs, Converting an AppLink to a URL string. In the previous lecture we'd created from location method which converts a URL string to an AppLink. In this lecture we create a toLocation method which will converting an AppLink to URL string. For that first locate to do, add toLocation and replace it with method. Here we created an internal function that formats the query parameter key-value pair into a string format. We will go through each defined path. If the path is kInvoicePath, return the right string path, which is makeInvoice. If the path is kPaymentPath, first we'll concatenate the invoice parameter value with it, then we'll return the right encoded string path. If the path is invalid, default to the path makeInvoice. That's it for the toLocation method. In the next lecture we'll use the route information parser to parse router information into AppLink. Thank you.